Hi folks, I'm Mark with Artisan Restoration, and anyhow, I'm over in Elysian looking at a log cabin that I looked at 5-6 years ago, and the work on it never got done. And it's it's a 20-foot long, 16-foot wide cabin that's gotten much worse. Logs are 6 to 6.5 inches thick, and they vary in height from I don't know, 8-10 inches up to over a foot. This side here is actually the better side. I don't know if that little thing is a gun port or what that is. But anyhow, this is the south side, and it's the second worst area. It's got looks like an oak sill log. It's tipped in quite a bit. I don't know if that's. I think it's because the logs next to it have decided to rot out. But we've got patches here and there from somebody trying to repair it years ago, and a lot of the dovetail corners are bad, and this side here is the worst. You'd have to start on this side by bolting some timbers around the corners, bolt them up to the walls so we can support it, and then start pulling out logs. First, second, third courses for sure are bad. Fourth course has got a big check down the middle, so that's probably bad. Anywhere birds can make a nest in a log, it's got to be a little suspect. And then this other side over here is probably got about 90% of it's going to have to get taken apart, and very few logs are going to be saved on this side here. You can see all the patches that have been done on it in the first place. And then we got siding up on top, which probably ought to be replaced because the bottom edge is all deteriorated. Foundation needs tuck pointing. That's not a big deal, but this log replacement is really going to be a main part of our job, and the chinking, all the chinking will probably have to be replaced on the outside, and that'll be either acrylic or masonry depending on what they want to do. But windows will have to come out. Most of them need new sills, it looks like. And then over on this side here, we could have a sill log out and maybe a third one where we got those bad checking. And here we are back at the beginning of our inspection, I guess, on this south east corner. This is the east wall here. So anyway, it's going to be an expensive project. I don't know how they're going to fund it. We might donate some materials or something if we can work out something on a tax credit or so. But I'll try to help them out the best I can, and we'll see what they say at their next meeting in a couple of weeks from now. Thanks for watching. Bye.